Hey guys, so I am here ready to do a life-changing event. I've been reading a book called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up, and it's the Konmari method basically, and it's about getting your space in order for good. And so there's 3 rules. I'm going to start small and do it with our supplement drawer, and then I'm going to take you guys along and show you, and I'm going to keep releasing videos of each step of this process. So
determine your goal first. So what's the end in mind? So for me, I want the cabinet that I'm cleaning out is full of supplements and teacups and all these things. I want it to be a cabinet that's literally for all of our edible medicine. And in our house, that's all natural stuff. So supplements, powders for our smoothies, all those things. Then I have to discard. So before you even decide where things are gonna go, you discard everything that you don't use. And then after all of that is done, that's when you decide where to put things. So let's do this. I know, guys. All right, so the cabinet is completely empty. I cleaned it out. I discarded, so this is all the stuff left. Now I need to figure out where everything is going to go. Probably 30 minutes, and it was a hot mess, but I'm going to show you what it looks like now. So all in all, I am down for the KonMari method. So top row has wine glasses. Look how much space is up here. Then that's the coffee mugs. I have a few more, but they're washing. So, and then here's the edible supplements. It's like our edible medicine cabinet. Isn't this so much better, you guys? Look at all that space I cleared up with this method. I'm so doing this in every freaking nook and cranny in my house. Let me know what you guys think. Again, the book is called The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up. It's a really easy, short read, and I would recommend for all of you guys to do it. I actually do it on Audible, and I just do it while I'm cleaning the house, and so it has helped me tremendously. So that is just one cabinet, and there is more to come, y'all.